If you would like to know how to turn this garbage stuff, and much more, into something like this, let me show you. So to begin this ugly guy, I will start his head because I actually had no idea what I want to do, and I thought that when I will create his ugly face, idea for the rest will pop out in my head. And I was right. Anyway, here I was aiming for a realistic look, so I visited Google to give me some images and started to copy what I see. But to make it more creepy, I wanted to give him sadistic smile, so immediately after looking at him you will have goosebumps. After giving him nasty smile, it was time to move with his eyes, and here I wanted to make also some psycho look. With eyes done, I moved to mouth, both of things, so teeth and tongue I wanted to keep creepy, that's why there was only one solution: long and sharp teeth and long disgusting tongue. After that, adding some wounds, fur texture and cutie little ears. For a body, I made barrel looking torso and added here some arms. For torso, I'm not focusing about any details because later it's going to be covered anyway with shirt. But with arms I'm giving a little bit of detail like muscle for example, and after that adding big flat parts of clay to look like t-shirt. And now I'm making head of piggy, and I had to make it now because I come up with idea that our cute little bear will be holding his head while the rest of body is going to lay by his legs covered in blood. Anyway, later I am making hands for our cutie and mark on piggy where he's going to have wounds. With legs I am not going with anything complicated, just made some paws and attached them to the sausage looking leg and gave their texture of fur. After Winnie the Pooh, it's time for a few other things. Here I am making something that bear is going to sit on and also some pumpkins. These vegetables are done more or less the same way as a face of our cutie, so you know, sharp teeth, long tongue, weirdo eyes, so just move to another step. And another step is of course painting. I'm not going to surprise anyone, but I am painting him yellow, and later I am trying to add some texture of fur by painting him with brighter color in the same direction with brush. Later on I painted his t-shirt just red like he's wearing in cartoon, and after that take care of his wounds. So I added some base color and after that move on with wash paints that make it pop out much more. And I am also making some blood dripping from his injuries. With pumpkins it's nothing complicated because what color can I use for pumpkins? Obviously not pink, but maybe I should try someday. Anyway, when I finish this non-obvious painting, I am making some of my favorite oil wash. To make it I'm just mixing a little bit of dark brown paint with a lot of turpentine, or white spirit as you may call it, and just apply it on model. Wait until it's dry, remove most of it with cotton pads, soaked in turpentine, and voila! You gave him dark effect with minimal effort. For the landscape I just used a piece of styrofoam and added static grass to look like they are somewhere in the woods, and after that did the wiring, light, and I call it done. So I hope you enjoyed this creepy Winnie the Pooh diorama. If you did, feel free to give here some like or subscribe for more nasty projects. Also, if you like zombie style sculpture, go check out my last video. Bye!